God. Hurry to go home. Not waiting for me. Oh my God. Okay, I go to you. To the car. My God, it's two. They know where they go. Allah, Farak's coming. Okay, we go now with the car. Too quickly. My goodness, Dan. Ayan, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Maraming para pa-attendance. Dito ako ngayon sa grupo ng mga pupa. Ayan. Nag-uwian na sila ngayon. Ayan, ako, nagmamadali na. Gusto na nilang nakita sila mga baby sa loob. Ayan, ang mga kasama ko maglakad ngayon. Ang mga sundalo ng pupa. Ayan sila guys. 55 sila. Cute nila, ang cute na mga babies. 2 months old. Nung nakita ko only 4 days old. Ngayon 2 months old na kayo ha. Lalaki nyo na ha, pwede na kayong katayin. Pwede nang ibenta ang mga baby. Sino kaya yung pinapadedi ko noon? Pare-pareho mukha ay Mudur. Who I feed him before? Before I feed one sheep. Where is it? I give biberon. Where is it?
Inside there.
I don't remember. Same face. Where they go? All of them? What? The 5 no baby? Huh? The 5 go inside no baby? Hey, this is Erkita. Erkita, man. Why? He feed as well. He make feeding. They all same, oh, look. So many boy asking. Oh, one, how many boys? 2. So many boys. How many boys you have? 6? 6 boys. You have horn, huh? Have horn is boy, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 boys. Wait, mommy eating and after they feed you. Yeah. Pag malaki boy, yung matangkad boy siya, yung maliliit girl. Pag may sungay boy, may mga sungay. Yung walang sungay girl. At saka maliit. Ayan. Boy yan, ito boy to. Yung may sungay boy.
Hold the baby.
Huh? Yeah. Anne call the baby. They miss Anne. They miss Anne. It's only 2 months? Big yahoo. Ang cute nilang tingnan. No? Pero ang papanghi. Ang papanghi ng amoy. Be daw, be, nakakulong kayo, be, nakakulong kayo. Be, nakakulong kayo, be. Hello, it's Adam pinadede ko nun, oh. Ang lalaki. Ayan. I miss my ane. I miss my mommy. Follow the bus, oh. Follow the bus. Ano, iyak na iyak. Going out now. See the mommy. Why have all violet? Ask him. Why have all violet? She's not eating. But big tummy, oh. Maybe two baby inside. Poor little things, yeah. Hey. Hey girl, what happened to you? What happened? Huh? She's woke. Ah. She don't eat. She cannot walk. Ask him, she cannot walk. What? What happened to her? Maybe need injection.
I do too much injection.
You cannot kill him. He's pregnant. Allah Allah. She's woke. What happened? Too much baby? You mean you have four? Inside? Allah Allah. So wait. Huh? I close here. Poor little thing. Follow the boss. Follow the boss. We go home now? Bye. Okay. Bye. What do you mean?
Make a medicine tomorrow morning.
I say goodbye to the guys, okay? Huh? I say goodbye to the guys. Guys, bye-bye. See you again next time. There, go away.